Check out this Kubota L185, all the way back from 1979. This is a tractor. This is the real deal. That's the blue that I'm talking about. That blue, that's the color blue that was every single under portion in the engine block of my Kubota. And I'm telling you, I just absolutely love it. Turn the key to on. Right. You can see it there. You got two light positions, and we're just going to turn the knob. Give it a pump up that throttle. Bring it back down maybe to 1500 or even 1000 RPM. That seems like a comfortable idle range. You're good to go. You can see the Japanese script on the transmission. This thing is awesome. Look at that little gas pedal down there. You ever seen it with a white cutting deck and the turf tires? This thing's a beast. I wish the seat would go a little further back. Now we're talking. That thing pulls. And that's all she wrote.